Discover the future of creativity with affordable 3D printing solutions. The best 3D printer under $500 brings precision, speed, and reliability right to your workspace. Perfect for beginners and hobbyists, it turns ideas into tangible creations effortlessly. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started.
Number 1. FLASHFORGE 5M 3D Printer. The FLASHFORGE 5M 3D printer is designed for users who want speed, reliability, and minimal setup without sacrificing print quality. Its one-click automatic printing and fully automatic bed leveling remove the frustration of manual adjustments, making first layers consistent and dependable every time. Built on a CoreXY structure, it delivers impressive performance with ultra-fast travel speeds and high acceleration, which significantly shortens printing time for prototypes and batch production. The smart design stands out with quick 3-second nozzle changes, a high-flow nozzle, and rapid heat-up, allowing users to switch materials or settings with almost no downtime. Print quality remains excellent thanks to vibration compensation, dual-fan cooling, and support for multiple nozzle sizes, offering flexibility for both fine details and larger parts. Remote monitoring through the FlashMaker app adds convenience, letting users track prints in real time. Overall, the FLASHFORGE 5M balances speed, precision, and ease of use, making it a strong choice for makers and professionals alike.
Number 2. ELEGOO CoreXY 3D Printer. The ELEGOO CoreXY 3D printer is built for users who want powerful performance right out of the box. Arriving fully assembled and pre-calibrated, it eliminates long setup times and allows beginners and experienced makers to start printing immediately. Its spacious build volume provides flexibility for larger models, while automatic bed leveling and an intuitive touchscreen ensures smooth, frustration-free operation. Designed for high-performance materials, the enclosed chamber and high-temperature hardened nozzle allow confident printing with carbon fiber reinforced filaments and other demanding materials. A rigid die-cast aluminum frame minimizes vibrations, even at fast speeds, resulting in consistent accuracy and clean surface finishes. Combined with vibration compensation and pressure advance, this printer delivers excellent first layers and reliable results. The ELEGOO CoreXY 3D printer is a solid option for users who value speed, strength, and precision in one dependable machine.
Number 3. Bambu FDM 3D Printer. The Bambu FDM 3D printer, particularly the A1 Mini, is engineered for users who want fast, intelligent, and highly accurate printing in a compact format. With extremely high acceleration, it achieves impressive print speeds while maintaining sharp details and smooth surfaces. One of its standout features is full auto calibration, which handles bed leveling, Z offset, and tuning automatically, allowing users to focus entirely on designing and printing. Active flow rate compensation further enhances print quality by dynamically adjusting extrusion, resulting in consistent layers and clean finishes across different materials. Despite its small footprint, the printer feels refined and well-engineered, offering a smooth and quiet printing experience. Ideal for hobbyists, designers, and small workspaces, the Bambu A1 Mini delivers advanced features usually found in larger machines, making it an excellent choice for precision-focused users. Number 4. Creality K2 3D Printer. The Creality K2 3D printer is built for speed, stability, and future expansion, making it a versatile choice for a wide range of users. Powered by a lightweight CoreXY motion system, it achieves high print speeds with strong acceleration while maintaining smooth walls and sharp details through vibration sensing and input shaping. Its solid die-cast aluminum frame and reinforced structure provide excellent rigidity, reducing flex during fast movements and ensuring reliable dimensional accuracy.
Setup is refreshingly simple, with a quick assembly process and fully automatic leveling that guides users step by step through initial calibration. The large build volume allows flexibility for small, detailed parts or larger functional models. With optional compatibility for multicolor upgrades, the Creality K2 SE is a forward-looking printer that grows with your needs while delivering consistent professional quality results.
Number 5. GIANTARM Extruder 3D Printer. The GIANTARM Extruder 3D Printer is a compact, beginner-friendly machine designed to make 3D printing simple and approachable. Fully assembled out of the box, it removes the complexity often associated with entry-level printers, allowing users to start printing almost immediately. Its direct drive extruder with dual drive metal gears provides strong extrusion force and reliable filament control, making it capable of handling flexible and standard materials with good accuracy. Automatic leveling with multiple measurement points ensures a smooth first layer, while the heated, removable magnetic build plate helps reduce warping and makes model removal easy. Although small in size, the printer delivers stable performance and consistent results, supported by efficient heating and cooling. Simple controls, a clear color display, and one-button filament loading make it especially suitable for kids, students, and first-time users. Overall, the GIANTARM 3D printer is an excellent choice for learning, creative projects, and light DIY printing at home. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and